Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how AI-driven SEO can help boost your website traffic and improve your rankings. SEO is crucial for getting your website noticed. And with AI tools, you can take your strategy to the next level. First, AI can assist you in keyword research, helping you find the best keywords to target for maximum visibility. Once you have the right keywords, AI can also help you with content optimization, ensuring your content is both engaging and SEO friendly. Next, let's talk about on-page SEO. With AI tools, you can easily improve things like title tags and meta descriptions, automatically enhancing your site's SEO elements. And if you're running low on content ideas, AI can even help with content generation, creating high-quality SEO-optimized articles quickly. Don't forget about AI-powered analytics. These tools can give you deep insights into your website's performance and provide recommendations for improvements. AI can also help boost your user experience, which reduces bounce rates and keeps visitors coming back for more. Lastly, AI can take care of repetitive SEO tasks and assist in link building, helping you secure valuable backlinks and increase your domain authority. That's all for today's tutorial. Be sure to try out these AI-driven SEO strategies to improve your website traffic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.